Okay, here are all the parts that are ready to go to powder coating. Last week, you saw me tear apart the wheels and the brakes. This week, we're going to tackle the fork. These forks are amazingly simple. They aren't sealed like hydraulic forks, so they come apart pretty easily. The first thing is to pull off the top yoke. I've already had these bolts off, so they come out by hand. The headlamp holders slide right off. These are the first body parts I'm going to be dealing with. They're going to be gloss black in paint, not powder. The fork tubes are inside the yoke with some tightening bolts. When these bolts come out, the tubes are still in there really tight, so we're going to have to figure that out, but that's for the next fork video. These boots are okay, but I already got new ones. The springs are going to take a good bit of cleaning. I'll just start by pulling off as much of the grease as I can for now. These bottom tubes are pretty rough. There's surface rust, and whatever finish this was is flaked most of the way off. I'll pull off as much of it as I can, but whatever sticks will come off when the powder shop media blasts them. Now, I have to get these tubes out of the yoke. They're in there pretty good, so I tap the yoke off with a hammer, gracefully. That's pretty much it for taking it apart. Just some cleanup left. Oh, and Ziploc bags, of course. There are some rubber bumpers inside the springs, and I'm going to use a screwdriver to get those and the rest of the grease out. They don't need to be bare, but I want the re-greasing process to be simple, so I'm going to get as much off as I can for now. So there you go. These are going to powder, and while we wait for them to be done, I'm going to move on to dealing with the chrome on the bike. Next week is going to be about that, which includes the exhaust, since that is chrome too. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And follow us on Instagram @AnalogVector.